and welcome. Today we're driving this NA Miata turbo kit, NA Miata that belongs to my good friend. So without ado, this car does have an orange wrap on it. Car was pulled out from a burn, basically a burn find. And well, first thing you guys definitely want to see is the turbo. There is your NA Miata turbo, the Gary turbo, and the all-important Carb-Legal sticker. But look at this thing. This thing is hilariously fun to drive. We're gonna finish our walk around though. Of course, 1.8 liters. This one does not have the VVT. This is pre-VVT era. Okay. Oh. Okay, there we go. 1.8 liter, no VVT. Hellcat going by. It's got Carb-Legal wheels, Yokohama tires, Willwood Brake Kit. It's got a set of aftermarket coilovers. I'll list that in the description of the video because I don't remember where they are. It does have exhaust as well. Got lights, headlights and tail lights. Of course, the pop-up headlights. And the old school master badge before they went to the M logo. But yeah, it's got a hardtop on as well. Right now, got a roll bar. Overall, just NA Miata. NA Miata was just an NA Miata. Super cute. This is not a perfect car. It's a track / daily build. Crazy, right? Dating an NA Miata. But yeah, with that said, just about to walk around. Inside there's a Apple CarPlay, Android Auto head units, and a Momo steering wheel. That's about it. So let's go for a drive. A piece of paper is for covering the license plate later. I should have found a better place for it. There we go. Okay, NA Miata turbo kit, first drive. This car has got much more than that. I'll put a description of every mod later. Oh, it's bouncy. It's set up for track, of course. But the throttle response in Miata is just so fabulous. There it is. Oh. There is legs to low turbo lag. Right now it's set up. You can see the boost gauge over there. Around 7 psi of boost only. Oh, it feels so fast. And this has a, I'll put a clutch later, but the clutch, it's really easy to stall. It's basically an on-off point clutch. Well, it's Momo Steering wheel. This feels just like a go-kart. And you hear this turbo spin up. The brakes as well, Willwood racing brakes. Oh, this thing's bloody amazing. You can't see me right now because it's POV view, but I'm having the best time of my life. And because it's so small, it just feels like a go-kart. You can place it wherever you want in your own lane without crossing double yellows or even crossing into the sidelines. This is just the best ever. Now Well, today I'm filming a lot of cars, so I'll keep every one of them short, just so I have enough time to film all of it. Oh, what a car! Like, watch that boost gate. I'm gonna slowly go into the throttle, and there it goes. We got boost immediately. Oh, you got a roll cage behind me. This is just great. Short gearing, it pulls so strong. The brakes are so good too. Now this video is not sponsored by State Farm. Those are just the closest what's it called, sticky notes I could find before I had to set off today to come here to film these cars. But then, oh, I wish my friend doesn't have the hard top on right now. We can have the top done, and then this will be the best experience ever, or second to best. Okay, a couple months ago on my channel, there is a modified S2000. I still think that is the F22 engine in the S2000 is just still more special experience than this car. Put it this way, if I were to use my BMW and Porsche analogy again, that I used a long time ago, this feels like a BMW M2 CS. It's playful, it's fun, you're interacting with the car. You're interacting with the car. The S2000, that feels like a Cayman GT4. You're not really interacting with the car, but the car becomes part of you. And just, this is opinionated obviously. Personally, I prefer the S2000 experience with the engine revving up. That stirs up more emotions. This, while being more playful, does not stir up as emotions in me as that car does. But the turbo sure is hell fun though. And it's predictable. This is the most predictable turbo I've ever driven. Much more different than the Boxster, the Cayman Boxster, the 718 Boxster I drove last week. Oh, this car is just such a good experience. I love it so much. And of course, headlights, best part in the world. Alright, I'm gonna go past Newcombs and I'm gonna, oh actually there's no one here right now. I'm gonna go past Newcombs and I'm gonna film my intro. Oh, this is the best Miata ever. Alright. suspension is continued. You guys already heard a little bit of it. Honestly, I don't know what much else to say. The ride is bouncy, but it's not horrible. And they're adjustable coilovers, so if a friend wants, he could definitely soften them up. I love the direct steering. The steering wheel is blocking like the middle half of the gauge cluster, so I can't really see that bit. And the oil pressure gauge, which by the way, unlike the native Miatas, this one does have a functional oil pressure gauge. Oh. Keeps hitting my knees. It's a cramped small space. Definitely is, birds. But you hear the turbo noise. Oh, this thing's just a bundle of fun. The balance, of course, of a Miata is just so good. Yeah. It's the best day at work ever. The shifter is good. Although this one, the bushings are a little bit worn, so not really the best. Pedals perfectly placed for heel toe. Everything about this is just, it's so easy to deal with. But I don't know, it's not leaving an impression on me like how the S2000 did. When I drove the S2000, it really was like a big moment. That's when I went, oh my god, what? This car I go, wow, that's so much fun. But I don't really go, what? So strong. You don't expect that kind of pull from a Miata. With that said, I have a lot of filming to do today, so it's time to move on to the next car. And I think I'll post these videos in 1 week intervals. So yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of this week and stay tuned for next week for the next car I'm filming.